Hi दोस्तों, welcome back to my channel NCC Gyan, a complete guide for you A, B and C certificate exams. I hope you are preparing well for your upcoming exams. In this video, we'll be covering all important questions of the topic leadership. They are in MCQ form as per new pattern. First question is, how many types of leaderships are there? Leadership कितने तरह की होती है? Your options are 2, 3, 4 or 5. You must have read about it. There are three kinds of leadership: autocratic, democratic and laissez-faire. So right answer for this question is option B, 3. Next question we have is question number 2. What does bearing denotes in the context of leadership? लीडरशिप में बेयरिंग का क्या मतलब होता है? योर ऑप्शंस आर, इट मीन्स फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ यानी कि शारीरिक ताकत, इट मीन्स डिपोर्टमेंट एंड ड्रेस यानी कि आपका आचरण और ड्रेसिंग सेंस, मेंटल एगैलिटी या फिर इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस. एंड राइट आंसर इज बेयरिंग मीन्स योर डिपोर्टमेंट एंड ड्रेस, योर बिहेवियर एंड योर ड्रेस अप. What is essential for leaders power of decision? लीडर की डिसीजन पावर के लिए क्या जरूरी है? योर ऑप्शंस आर एबिलिटी not to think irrationally, ability to remain unperturbed in a crisis, or ability to follow others' decision, or ability to avoid decision making. Here you can see option A, C and D. These are all negative options. So what would be the right answer? Leader's power of decision must be a positive aspect. So option B will be the right answer for this question. Ability to remain unperturbed in a crisis. Unperturbed means not affected. Next question is question 4. Which traits involves making decision promptly and announcing them authoritatively? कौन सा ऐसा ट्रेट है, फीचर है जो ये बताता है कि पूरे अधिकार से डिसीजन को लिया जाए और उसकी अनाउंसमेंट की जाए? ऑप्शंस आर एंड्योरेंस, इनिशिएटिव, इंटीग्रिटी और जजमेंट. व्हाट कुड बी द राइट आंसर? जस्ट थिंक ऑफ इट वंस. एंड्योरेंस मीन्स सहन शक्ति, इनिशिएटिव मीन्स किसी चीज में आगे बढ़ना, इंटीग्रिटी मीन्स एक रहना, जजमेंट मीन्स सही जजमेंट लेना. सो राइट आंसर इज इनिशिएटिव, किसी चीज में आगे बढ़कर शुरुआत करना. व्हाट डज डिपेंडेबिलिटी एंटेल्स फॉर अ लीडर? डिपेंडेबिलिटी का क्या मतलब है एक लीडर के लिए? योर ऑप्शंस आर फॉलोइंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस सिलेक्टिवली, मीटिंग हाई स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ वर्क एंड टाइमलीनेस, ignoring emergencies for personal convenience, or prioritizing self-interest over business. And the right answer for this question is option B, meeting high standards of work and timeliness, as option A, C and D, these three are negative options. Question 6. Which type of endurance is essential for a leader in military setting? मिलिट्री सेटअप में किस तरह की सहन शक्ति की जरूरत होती है? ऑप्शंस आर फिजिकल एंड्योरेंस, मेंटल एंड्योरेंस, इमोशनल एंड्योरेंस और ऑल ऑफ द अबव. सो किस तरह की सहन शक्ति एक सोल्जर के पास होनी चाहिए? व्हाट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ इट? Physical, mental, emotional or all three? So a soldier must be physically fit in all the aspects. So right answer for this question is all of the above. All these qualities are essential for a soldier. Next question is, what does enthusiasm refer in the context of leadership? Leadership में enthusiasm यानी जोश का क्या मतलब होता है? Your options are display of genuine interest and zeal, apathetic attitude towards work, lack of interest in new ideas, or dislike for a new job. Here we can see option A is a positive value or positive aspect, and option B, C and D, these three all are negative. This is the elimination method of selecting the right answer. So option A, display of genuine interest and zeal, is the right answer for enthusiasm meaning. Now what does initiative imply for a leader? इनिशिएटिव का क्या मतलब होता है? ऑप्शंस आर वेटिंग फॉर थिंग्स टू हैपन, चीजों के होने का इंतजार करते रहना, मेकिंग वेल कंसीडर रिकमेंडेशंस, सही डिसीजन देना या सही डिसीजन देने की कोशिश करना, डिलेइंग एक्शंस और अवॉइडिंग डिसीजन मेकिंग. अगेन it is very easy to select this answer, as I've already told you. Use elimination method. So option B is the only positive answer in this question. So right answer is option B, making well considerable recommendations. Next question, what is essential for leaders' power of judgment? Your options are intellectual capacity, emotional intelligence, experience and practice, or all of the above. लीडर की डिसीजन या जजमेंट पावर के सही होने के लिए क्या जरूरी है? Can you think of the right answer for this question? And the right answer for this question is option D, all this: intellectual, emotional and experience in practice. All these is essential for a leader. Next question, what does justice imply for a leader? एक leader के लिए justice का क्या मतलब होता है? Your options are impartial and consistent command, delayed or dispensation of justice, biased decision making, or unethical practice. Again, in this context, you can also use the elimination method, eliminating or removing all wrong options. So you can see 3 options are negative in this aspect and only 1 is positive. So right answer will be option A, impartial and consistent command. Next question is, which quality is given by subordinates to a leader? जूनियर्स अपने लीडर को कौन सी क्वालिटीज दे सकते हैं? ऑप्शंस आर लॉयल्टी, डिपेंडेबिलिटी, decision making, or none of the above. So which quality the juniors or the subordinates can give to the leader? And the right answer for this question could be, just think of it. Yes, you guessed it right. It is option A, loyalty. Loyalty is given by the juniors to their seniors or to their leader. Next is, what is the ability to appreciate amusing or lighter moments in everyday life called? रोजाना जिंदगी में थोड़ा हंसमुख होने वाली क्वालिटी को क्या कहते हैं? Your options are humor, wit, sarcasm, or cynicism. Have you guessed the right answer? Yes, you guessed it right. And the right answer for this question is option A. Humor means being lighter in daily life. Next question is, what is moral defined as? Moral का क्या मतलब होता है? Your options are, it means a positive state of mind, it means a negative state of mind, or it means a neutral state of mind, which does not affect by anything, जिसका किसी चीज पर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, or it is a confused state of mind. तो ऑप्शंस आर, माइंड पॉजिटिव रहना चाहिए, नेगेटिव रहना चाहिए, न्यूट्रल रहना चाहिए, या फिर कंफ्यूज रहना चाहिए. तो मॉरल मीन्स, ऑब्वियसली वी हैड ओनली 1 पॉजिटिव आंसर, विच इज अगेन अ पॉजिटिव स्टेट ऑफ माइंड मीन्स मॉरल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज टीम स्पिरिट इम्प्लाई? टीम स्पिरिट का क्या मतलब होता है? योर ऑप्शंस आर, इट मीन्स इंडिविजुअलिज्म, अकेले अपने आप को इंपॉर्टेंस देना, लॉयल्टी टू द ग्रुप, अपने ग्रुप के लिए ऑनेस्ट होना, डिसयूनिटी, एकता ना रखना, या फिर लैक ऑफ कोऑपरेशन, दूसरों से सहयोग ना करना. तो अगेन हेयर इन दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो वी कैन यूज द एलिमिनेशन मेथड, रिमूविंग ऑल रॉन्ग ऑप्शंस. तो ओनली ऑप्शन बी इज द पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट, सो द ऑप्शन बी विल बी द राइट आंसर, लॉयल्टी टू द ग्रुप. And the next question is, what is competency related to? Competency किससे जुड़ी हुई है या उसका क्या मतलब होता है? Your options are, it is related to your physical appearance, it is related to physical fitness, or it is related to skill and abilities, or none of the above. Here we can see option A and B are related. So 2 options cannot be the answer. So option A and B are eliminated. None of the above is already eliminated. So what could be the right answer in this? Skills and abilities. Next question, what is motivation defined as? Motivation का क्या मतलब होता है? Your options are, the urge to accomplish task actively. The word should be actively. किसी भी टास्क को एक्टिवली कंप्लीट करना, the urge to avoid टास्क को अवॉइड करना, the urge to procrastinate, और the urge to criticize टास्क, कोई भी दिया हुआ काम है उसकी बुराई करना. तो इन सभी ऑप्शन में से, चारों ऑप्शन में से, विच कुड बी द राइट आंसर? Only one option we had the positive, which is the urge to accomplish task. अपनी किसी भी टास्क को पूरा करने की पूरी कोशिश करना. Which philosopher identified 4 cardinal virtue of human values? कौन से philosopher ने human values को लेकर अपने 4 cardinals दिए थे? Your option are Aristotle, Plato, Socrates or Confucius. If you have gone through the Prezi, you must know about it. If not, then don't worry. We'll let you know the right answer in a moment. And the right answer for this question is option D. Plato gives the 4 cardinal virtues of human values. Next question. What are the 4 cardinal virtues or the human values according to Plato? Plato के according कौन सी human values, 4 human important हैं? Your options are prudence, courage, self-control and justice. Prudence, courage, self-control and discipline. Prudence, courage, honesty and justice. Prudence, courage, honesty and discipline. Have you read them all these carefully? And the right answer for this question is option A. According to Plato, prudence, courage, self-control and justice. These are the 4 cardinals of human values which are really important. Next question. What is essential for making the right decision according to Prudence? Prudence के according सही निर्णय लेने के लिए ज़रूरी क्या है? And your options are ignoring information, evaluating information, delaying the decision or avoiding decision. Here you can again use the elimination method. And the right answer is option B. Evaluating information is important to take right decisions. And the next question is, what do habits, behavior and conduct reflects? Habits यानी कि आपकी आदतें, आपका व्यवहार क्या दर्शाता है? Your options are it represents your personal preferences, your cultural differences, your moral values or none of the above. Here you can say option B is negative and option A and C both are positive but they are closely related. So which one is more important in deciding the behavior, habits and conduct of an individual? So moral values are more important. So right answer will be option C, not option A. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज डिसिसिवनेस इन अ लीडर रिलेटेड टू? किसी लीडर में डिसिसिवनेस का क्या मतलब होता है? योर ऑप्शंस आर इट मीन्स बीइंग कंसिस्टेंट एंड प्रिसाइज, परसिस्टिंग विद द पाथ और डिसीजन टेकन, अपने डिसीजन पे बने रहना, मेकिंग डिसीजन प्रॉम्प्टली एंड अथॉरिटेटिवली और फेसिंग ऑब्स्टेकल बट परसिस्टिंग विद इट, मुश्किलें आना उनका सामना करना. तो क्या हो सकता है डिसिसिवनेस का मीनिंग? जस्ट रीड द ऑल ऑप्शन केयरफुली वंस. Yes, and the right answer is option C, making decision promptly and authoritatively is the decisiveness. Next question, what is the essence of initiative for a leader? किसी leader के लिए initiative का मकसद क्या होता है? Options are waiting for things to happen, चीज़ों के होने का इंतज़ार करना, taking appropriate action without wasting time, एक सही निर्णय लेना वक्त बर्बाद किए बिना, being consistent and precise or being wise and reaction like anger, गुस्सा करना. So what could be the right answer? What is more important? Not wasting time. So right answer is taking appropriate action without wasting time is the essence of initiative for leader. Next is personal appearance and physical fitness of a member of a group is a factor of evaluation of dash in a group. Personal appearance और physical fitness से किसी ग्रुप के बारे में हम क्या पता कर सकते हैं, क्या पता चलता है? Your options are you know about their bearing, you know about their initiative, the integrity or the competence. What could be the right answer? All 4 are positive values. So physical appearance and physical fitness involves consistent hard work. So competence is the right answer in this question. Next is, what is the foundation for each cadet's ethical behavior for the rest of his life? किसी cadets की पूरी जिंदगी के लिए उसका ethical behavior क्या दर्शाता है, क्या क्या उसकी foundations हैं? Your options are honor code, leadership traits, constitution or the judgment. We have already discussed about honor code. There are 4 honor code, the human values, and option B, leadership traits. Various leadership traits are given in this lesson: judgment, initiative, decisiveness, and the right answer for this question is honor code. These 4 values of human behavior are important to decide the ethical behavior. Now, which is the India's highest civilian honor? सिविलियंस को दिया जाने वाला सबसे भारतीय उच्च सम्मान कौन सा है? योर ऑप्शंस आर पद्मश्री, वीर चक्र, भारत रत्न और पद्म विभूषण. What could be the right answer? Read it carefully. Yes, you guessed it right, and the right answer for this question is option C. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian honor given to the individuals. Thank you for watching this part 1. We will upload the part 2 soon, and thank you for watching this video. Do share this with your friends so they can also secure good marks. Also, in the comment section, post your comment for ourselves to improve. If you want to see any improvement or want any specific video on any topic, do comment. Bye bye.